Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, whichever one you're watching this one anyway. Just thought I'd take you along right quick this morning. Let's run out and feed the animals. I know it's been a while since I've been on here, but we've had so much rain. You can't get outside and do anything. Of course, it's dark when I get home from work. No excuses, but anyway, right quick, we'll feed the animals together before I run to work. And of course, they are hollering up a storm this morning. I know. Let's see the baby. Good morning to you. Good morning. Let's get them fed and then we'll run down to the chicken pen right quick. Hello, boys and girls. Good morning. Can you get out of your feeder just a minute? Can you get, there you go. Thank you. We put them in here, I think it was Saturday, and actually today's Friday, so they have been cooped up. It's supposed to be nice this afternoon, so I'm going to let them out this afternoon when we get home from work and all. My wife's doing substitute teaching today, so she won't be home for a while. So let's run down here and grab hold of the chickens and we'll get them. You can see how wet it is. I mean, it's water has come off from behind the barn, down the hill. Man, oh man, it has been something else. I hadn't even had time. It's been raining so much that we have not even had time to put the plastic back on top of the greenhouse. And this morning it's right at 32 degrees and rained again last night. But anyway, hello boys and girls. How are you this morning? Now, I just kind of made, for right now, a makeshift chicken pen, if you will, because I've read on the internet and I know that chickens are not supposed to be in with goats. You know, certain things about the feces and things like that. If you want to go on there and look, you can Google that. But anyway, for right now we're good. But and I'll take you over. Let's give them a little happy this morning. They have grown. I know they have since y'all seen them last. And again, I apologize for not being on, but there's just certain things, hang on. There's just certain times that it's hard to get out and get a video done because of, again, like I said, rain and having to be at work early and then getting off late. And we've got theater going on with our granddaughter, and I'm doing the sound, and my wife's doing part of the directing. And then I've got church on Wednesday nights and church on Sunday morning and Sunday night. So our weeks are full right now. So anyway, be patient with me. We're gonna keep going. One thing we always have to do here, we've got the small above ground pool, is it gets water on top of there. So we've set a siphoning hose, you can see that right there, in here. And whenever it rains, we'll come down. And I actually taught my wife how to siphon from a hose and things like that, something that she's never done. So no, I'm not going to do it because I'm going to get wet in the face. See, and just like that, it works. And again, I did get a mouthful of rainwater. Oh well, not too bad. But anyway, thank you so much for being patient with us. Thank you so much for watching Monts Family Homestead and supporting us and liking our videos. Share them with your friends. I mean, I know they don't contain a whole lot of stuff a lot of times, but I just want to keep touch base with you. Hey, God bless you. Have yourself a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And remember, God loves you.